Okay, so for this video, we're going to be creating a React component. And in the last video, we made a stateless React component. So this one's going to have some basic state. We're not really going to do anything with it, but just so you can understand it a little bit, we're going to be creating a class called myComponent, and it's going to extend a React component. And from React component, we're going to pass a constructor props. And that props is going to be called by the super. So that super function is going to pull the props from the main state. And here they want us to render something. Okay, this is talking about a kitten function or something, kitten class, and has nothing to do with this. So we're going to go straight to the requirements. The React component should return a div element. So we're going to make it return something. It's going to return something within quotes. It's going to be where the JSX goes. The return, okay, so it's going to be a div. I'm going to open the div, close the div. Always remember to close. Then the return div should render an h1 header within it. So h1, open, close. The h1 header should contain the string hello react. Hello react. Alright, we can see the output on the right, but let's just run the test. And there we go.